Oh no! Where's the fruits have disappeared? See, here are some colorful blocks. We will arrange this and we'll search fruits. See, here we got apple and it's red in color. See, here is circle and a yellow color duck. Light yellow color circle. Oh, see, here is yellow color fish. Big yellow color circle. Oh, here we found lemon. Yellow color lemon. See, here is orange color blocks. Let's break up it. Look, here is orange. It's orange color. See, here are the colorful circles. So let's see by its color. Light yellow color, dark blue color, pink color, yellow color, orange color, green color. Oh, here is watermelon and it's red and green color. Ah, see, here is strawberry and it's red. See, here is violet color rings. Small circle, big circle, and here are those blocks. Let's arrange.
See, here is grapes and it's violet in color.